Weather
them
Service in
distractions.
Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake
Nope,
Bay,
got
north
more.
of Pools Island, Maryland, the Tapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over Fells Point, moving northeast at 25 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Aberdeen Proving Ground, Susquehanna Flats, wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.